In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional LinkedIn banner using Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just looking to refresh your profile, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. If you haven't heard of Canva yet, it's a powerful and free design tool that is perfect for everyone. Go to canva.com, then type LinkedIn banner into the search bar. Canva has a variety of templates, perfectly sized for LinkedIn, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Click on the template that you like. Now let's edit this banner. You can change the text by clicking on it and typing your name, job title, or a motivational quote. Customize the fonts, colors, and positions to match your personal or brand style. You can also drag and drop elements, resize them, or add your logo if you have one. If you want to make your banner more dynamic, you can add images or icons. Click on the Elements tab to browse Canva's huge collection of graphics and photos. Once you've customized everything to your liking, take a moment to make final adjustments. Align everything properly, and make sure your text is readable and centered. Alright, now that we're totally happy with our new LinkedIn banner, how do we add it to LinkedIn? Before we do that, it would mean a lot to me if you took a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming LinkedIn guides. Download your design by clicking the share button in the top right corner, then download. Choose PNG or JPEG format. After that, click download again. This will download the banner to your computer. To upload your new banner, head over to your LinkedIn profile, click the camera or pencil icon in the banner section, and upload the image you just downloaded. Adjust the positioning if needed, and hit save. And that's it. You've just created a stunning LinkedIn banner using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more LinkedIn guides to improve your online presence. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.